Inverted nipples can be a big hassle for us. It is a condition in which the entire nipple points inward instead of outward. It is common for women and men to have this condition with either one or both of their nipples. A person may have inverted nipples by birth, which might cause psychological distress. Mothers with inverted nipples may have a difficult time breastfeeding. There are 3 grades of inverted nipples. Grade 1. Inverted nipple can be easily pulled out and maintained in its projection. Grade 2. Inverted nipple can be pulled out with effort and tends to retract. Grade 3. Nearly impossible to pull the inverted nipple out, and it will immediately retract. If you believe you are in Grade 3, it is better to consult a doctor for further suggestions. Whether you have Grade 1 or Grade 2 inversion, we recommend a no-surgery, painless way to fix it. We found that the current correction products are all manual control and can't generate stable suction. Wearing those simple cups for 8 hours all day long is suffering. That's why we designed the electric nipple corrector, a safer, more efficient, and at the same time more comfortable way to help. Skin-friendly liquid silicone brings you all-around comfort. Adjustable suction is automatically maintained and suitable for any inversion. You should witness the improvement in just 3 days, with 30 minutes of treatment per day. Do what you want while the treatment without worrying about losing suction. Rolevin electric nipple corrector, thoughtful design, better care.